Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research. Have you ever wondered how we teach a robot to do something new, like folding a towel or putting away groceries? Traditionally, it's been a slow and painful process, but a new paper introduces a revolutionary method called SRPO, or Self-Referential Policy Optimization. The old methods had a big problem with what's called reward sparsity. Imagine the robot only gets a point if it completes a task perfectly and gets 0 points for getting it 99% right. This is incredibly inefficient because the robot learns almost nothing from its failures, even when it gets really close. Other methods require humans to painstakingly program rewards for every single step, which just doesn't scale. SRPO completely changes the game by letting the robot teach itself. Here's how it works. During a training session, the robot tries a task multiple times. It then takes its own successful attempts and uses them as the gold standard for that session. Now for the clever part. For every failed attempt, the robot gets a progress score based on how similar its actions were to one of its own successful runs. It doesn't just compare pixels, which can be misleading. Instead, it uses a deep understanding of the world to judge the similarity of the trajectories. This means even failed attempts provide a rich learning signal, telling the robot what it did right and how to improve. And the results are nothing short of incredible. On a standard set of robotic tasks, the SRPO method achieved a 99.2% success rate. This represents a 103% relative improvement over the previous baseline, a massive leap in performance. It's also dramatically more efficient. Where other methods might take thousands of training steps, SRPO achieves top performance in just a few hundred. This steep learning curve means robots can master new skills in a fraction of the time. Crucially, this isn't just a success in simulation. The researchers showed that this method for understanding progress works on real-world robots, helping them complete tasks with significantly higher success rates. The method even helps the robot discover new and better ways to solve a task, rather than just rigidly copying the one demonstration it was shown. So, let's quickly recap the key points. SRPO is a new framework that allows a robot to become its own teacher. It learns from failure by giving itself partial credit, based on how closely a failed attempt resembled a successful one. This self-referential process makes learning hyper-efficient and leads to state-of-the-art performance. What does this mean for the future? It's a huge step towards creating more autonomous and adaptable robots. Imagine robots that can quickly learn new chores around the house or adapt to changing tasks in a warehouse with minimal human input. This research paves the way for robots that learn more like we do, by trying, failing, and trying again, but getting a little bit better each time.